Hello students, welcome once again in online classes. This is class 8 home science class and we have completed lesson 3. Today we will start its short answers type question, and you can see here is only one question. What do you understand by safety measure saving us from diseases? Why are they considered important? What do you understand by safety measures saving us from diseases? And second question is, why are they considered very important? Look at the answer. Safety measures include all the steps taken to protect against infectious diseases. Safety measures include all the steps taken to protect against infectious diseases. So, this is the first half of your question. And second is, why are they considered very important? Safety measures is very important for remaining healthy. Safety measures is very important for remaining healthy, comma, it make the individual healthy. It make the individual healthy and thus help in making a healthy society, and thus help in making a healthy society. This is the short answer number 1. One line from here and second from here. Long answers type question. What do you understand by vaccination? What do you understand by vaccination? Name the important vaccines and the protection provided by them. Name the important vaccines and the protection provided by them. Here is the vaccination. Vaccination is that protective device in which germs are injected inside the body to combat against the germs of diseases. Vaccination is that protective device in which germs are injected inside the body to combat against the germs of diseases. The germs which are injected attack the germs spreading infections. Thus, intentional injecting of germs inside the body is called vaccination. See once again. Vaccination is that protective device in which germs are injected inside the body to combat against the germs of disease. The germs which are injected attack the germs spreading infection. Thus, intentional injecting of germs inside the body is called vaccination. And here is the list of main vaccines. Some of main vaccines have been mentioned in the table given below. You can see it. Number 1 is BCG. It cures TB and plague. BCG cures TB, plague. Number 2, 3 vaccines of DPT, each after 2 months gap. 3 vaccines of DPT, each after 2 months gap. It protects from stifling, means ki gala ghotu, whooping cough, tetanus. 3 doses of polio drop, each one after a gap of 2 months. 3 doses of polio drops, each one after a gap of 2 months. It protects us from polio. Vaccine of measles. Vaccine of measles. It protects from measles. Two vaccines of typhoid, each one after a gap of 2 months. It cures from typhoid. Two booster vaccines of typhoid to enhance earlier effects. These are the main vaccines. So students, this chapter has been finished now. If you have any problem in this chapter, you can ask me. I will start the next chapter, and in next video I will give you some project work also. Be ready for that. Take care. Goodbye.